wish there was a way to write this faster.
Well, now there is with the new and improved Typewriter 2.
The practical typewriter was created by Christopher Latham Sholes. Previous typewriters have been produced by Henry Mill and others, but Sholes was the first typewriter to be commercially produced. He worked with Carlos Glidden to create the Sholes-Glidden typewriter. Sholes also invented the QWERTY keyboard that is still used today.
The typewriter was useful for numbering book pages and typing ticket stubs. It helped to create a formal and fast way to write. It changed how people wrote because no longer had to require a pen or a pencil. It was similar to a personal and miniature printing press.
The typewriter was originally $125. This price was unpopular because many people were not willing to pay for this machine. Many people rejected it because it had mechanical imperfections and lacked personal touch. After fixing the imperfections that impeded fast typing, the typewriter number 2 was created. It took some time, but eventually became a huge success. And for $125, you can own your own personal typewriter 2. Be a 20th century kid and buy one today. All you have to call is 1-800-TYPEWRITER2.